Going back to calls for a withdrawal of support by the AFP, are there any unrest that the AFP has monitored within the ranks?
Within the ranks, there is zero, zero na monitor po namin na in terms of internally na meron pong ganito. So we assure the public po that the Armed Forces of the Philippines remain a professional organization and we are united.
But externally, Colonel, what are the specific politically motivated attempts that the AFP and the DND cited, calling them as futile and irresponsible?
For that, ma'am, no, we have been monitoring what's happening, no? And as I said, internally po, wala po tayong nakikita po na meron na any unrest in terms of our ranks. And with that, we're looking at, of course, kung ano po yung role ng PNP. The AFP plays a supporting role para po makita po natin, no, na as one kami for this pagpapakita ng right po ng bawat Pilipino for freedom of speech and kung ano po yung gusto nilang saloobin, mailabas po natin peacefully sa mga ganito pong sitwasyon.
Kung ganun, bakit po kinailangan mag-issue ng statement ang DND at ang AFP ukol sa mga pwedeng magsamantala or kung merong ano ba yung tinutukoy nila? Bakit po kinailangan magbigay ng statement kung sinasabi niyong zero unrest?
Well, basically po, ma'am, no, we stand by our Commander-in-Chief. At ito naman po, ang ating mismong presidente po ang nagsalita, no, na nag-ignite po nitong mga investigations na to. So with us, of course, down the line and down the ranks po, we support po our Commander-in-Chief with this pronouncement po.
Colonel, at the same time, the AFP also underscored its support for the President's anti-corruption campaign. Ano ba talaga yung magiging role ng AFP dito?
So basically, ma'am, no, we view the People's Assembly po as a vibrant exercise of our democracy. So ito pong expression of this sentiment shows that civil society is engaged, and this is a sign po of a healthy and functioning republic. So for us po, we stand with the Filipino people in this shared desire, no, for a transparent and accountable government. So we see ourselves po as partners in building a nation founded in integrity and trust.
And what is your message, Colonel, para sa mga kababayan natin who are afraid that there could be unrest, there could be destabilization happening in the next few days?
Well, sa ating mga kababayan po, no, rest assured po na nandito po ang anyong Armed Forces of the Philippines para po sa aming mandato to protect the people and secure the state. And with this po, no, we are supporting the Philippine National Police in peace and order and ito pong law enforcement operations. So, tinitingnan po natin ito as a healthy exercise po of freedom of speech. And sinusuportahan po namin itong ganito basta po ito ay nasa tama po, no, in the right forum and under the rule of law.
All right, we thank you for your time, Colonel Margaret Padilla of the AFP.